That's a win for the PNP if you ask me. But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. What win am I talking about? The fact that the PNP withdrew their request to have a meeting or a gathering in Crossroads. And because when I originally heard that the PNP and the JLP will be having meeting on the same day in Crossroads and halfway tree respectively, I originally thought that this would have been chaos. Regardless of the distance, this is too close. And I honestly just forgot to make the video. So, I have to just play catch up. But then, recently, I think yesterday, I was looking through articles and I realized that the PNP, Mark Golding, withdrew their meeting requests for Crossroads, citing his desire and putting the priority on the stability and order of Jamaica. And as I can say, I gave it a round of applause. I thought that was a win. I thought that is the type of leader Jamaica wants, or rather that's the type of mentality Jamaica needs as the leader. But in my mind, because I'm skeptical of all of these politicians, I thought who first decided to have their meeting in Kingston? Who first decided to have their meeting in Kingston? Was it the JLP or was it the PNP? Because to me, if the JLP first had decided to have their meeting in Kingston and then the PNP did it after, only to withdraw it first, that could just simply be a game for political points. Not saying that's what happened. I'm just saying I'm just a skeptical person of all politicians, regardless of the side that they're on. But regardless, I think it's a win. Even if it's a political point game, it was a point well deserved. So yeah, those are my thoughts. What are yours? And do you know who first put in the request to have their meeting in Kingston? And do you also share my views that it would have been chaos if both parties were to have meetings on the same day with just that small amount of distance between them? Because the truth is, Kingston and Crossroads is a hub area, and to get there you may have to go through the other. I do not think that's a good thing to have a meeting same day so close to each other where a JLP member would have to probably go to a PNP meeting to go to their nah, that not sound good. So it's a good look for Mark Golding. I respect that you decided to withdraw your request to have a meeting in Crossroads. It's a good look.